Sigma.
So fly, y'all. So fly.
No.
Oh. Why are you looking at my video?
Look at her eye.
You know, you can just go to the shorts page if you want. Get the phone away from my face.
It's already been 6 minutes.
Why?
Should I record the whole entire school?
All day?
Yeah.
Sure. Your phone light's on.
Why are you? I don't get it.
Okay,
Blue
it's
sky.
off.
I don't care.
Stop flipping me off.
But what the heck?
Pull you into frame.
Oh my god, Miss White!
No!
Oh my god, imagine she saw that on TikTok.
There we go. Okay.